Hello. mm, we're going to do star delta selector switch, and on this video, so let's get started. So on star delta selector switch, this one we find the point on the star and the delta side, and there are 9 points, so we have to find the U1s, U2s, view L1, L2. So on delta, on star, the points that are connected here, they don't change on the delta, but you just add one, which is your 2s. 1 and 2 is still 1 and 2, 3 and 4 is still 3 and 4, 5 and 6 is still 5 and 6. And then this point, they split along here. So the way they split, they have to arrange in such a way that they connect into a delta form. So as you know, the delta connection, it's this. This is a delta connection. Take it to the next one. Line 1, line 3. This is U's, V and 2. So they have to do the same thing. When line 1 is connected to U1, also connect to V2 on the other side. So as you can see, this is line 1 and this one is U1, line 2, U2, line 3, U2. So they in pairs. So the way you select it, line 1 on your star, it must be connected to V1. So we have 1, and then line 2, we have 3, line 3, we have 5, and then let's do it. Let me write U1 is 2, it's connected to line 1. V1 is connected to line 2 is 4. W1, which is 6. So here, this one does not connect to the other one. So it must connect to the tail of the other one. So our U2 is 7, because it has to be line 3, U1, U2. So U2 is 7, because it must make delta. As you can see, this is line 3, which is connected to W1. Yeah, this is W1, and then it goes to U2. So this is one loop, one node. So you can mention this as one node, because when you supply, you can also put a line 3 from here. It will be connecting here as well. So it makes a line 3, W1 and U2. It makes a delta. So that's how it is. So this one is line 2, V1 and W2. It makes a delta. This you have to rearrange it. So V2 it's 8 is line 1, U1 and V2, which is 8. and then W2 it's 9. And then let's connect it. Line 1 it's 1. Just connect it to line 2 it's 3. Line 3 it's 5. Connecting to 5. And then let's check W1. W1 it's 6. And then V it's 4. And then U1 it's 2. And then we have 7, V2 9. The other one it's 8. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.